To manage notifications on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on eBay easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to eBay. Now click on the top here on those three lines and go down and click on settings. After that it will take you to this page. Now choose the second one, it's notifications. Click on it like this, and now right here you will be able to change notifications and turn on or turn off whatever you want, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much. How to media.